Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to enter BIOS on this laptop. First of all, turn off your device by opening the Start menu, going to Power Options and selecting Shutdown. Once your laptop is turned off, you're gonna have to turn it on by pressing the power button once and then repeatedly press F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. So press the power button once and then start repeatedly clicking F2. And once you see preparing to enter setup in the top right corner of your screen, you can stop clicking the F2 button. And this way you will enter the BIOS menu. You can navigate here using basically your touchpad. You can expand each of these sections and change settings in it by selecting it and selecting the value that you need on the right side of your screen. So that's how you navigate here. In order to apply changes, click Apply right here. To restore defaults, click right here. And to exit, just click right here or press Escape. And that's it. Right now your laptop will restart into Windows. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.